Welcome to episode 2 of our quarantine cooking series. Today we are making zucchini lasagna. Here is the recipe. Okay, so my feedback on this recipe, first off, it was so nice, but I am a veggie lover. It felt like the zucchini broke the richness of the lasagna, all of the cheeses and the white sauce in between the layers. And then I would just also recommend that you cook the veggies beforehand. We used raw zucchini and raw mushrooms and raw spinach for the layers in between the mince. There was so much water in the lasagna because of the raw veggies, so yeah, I would recommend cooking the vegetables beforehand so that all of the water can cook out, and then you use it for the layers between the mince. We used cottage cheese instead of ricotta cheese, just because we forgot about buying ricotta and we had cottage cheese in the fridge, and that was really good anyway, so you can totally use that for a replacement. Then also we made the white sauce more by just adding maizena and milk. We are a family of 6, so we had to make the sauce a bit more. So basically you use 1 tablespoon of maizena to a 3/4 cup of milk, and then you mix it together, and then you take that mixture and put it into the white sauce mixture you already have with the egg and the spices and the cheese. Just also remember to stir the white sauce on a stove so that it thickens before you throw it over the lasagna. It won't thicken by just cooking it. You have to let it boil on a stove. Cool, so that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.